Hello guys. Welcome to Reviwlux YouTube channel. Today's video is especially important for housewives because in today's video we have brought about some special technical devices that were made to make the work of the kitchen easier. Some of these are coffee maker, vegetable chopper, waffle maker, air fryer. Okay, so let's go to the video today. Before you go, please remember that if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, go now and click on the red button below and remember the bell icon. This is Reviwlux. Keurig Classic Coffee Maker. Brews multiple K-Cup pod sizes, 6, 8, 10 ounces, the most popular K-Cup pod brew sizes. Use the 6-ounce brew size to achieve the strongest brew. Large 48-ounce water reservoir allows you to brew 6+ cups before having to refill, saving you time and simplifying your morning routine. The water reservoir is removable, making it easy to refill whenever you need to. Descaling, an important part of cleaning your Keurig brewer. This process helps to remove calcium deposits, or scale, that can build up inside a coffee maker over time. Auto off. An auto off feature is easily programmed to turn off your coffee maker after it has been idle for 2 hours, helping to save energy. Simple button controls. Just insert a pod, select your desired cup brew size, and brew a great tasting cup in under a minute. Magic Bullet Blender. It includes 11 pieces in blender set. Includes blender, additional blender cups, blades, recipe book and more. The Magic Bullet chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds and more. Cups are made out of high-impact plastic. Effortlessly create your favorite meals and snacks like smoothies, omelets, sauces and dips. 250 watts high-torque power base. It also mixes fruits vegetables well and you can make your juices tasty. Included recipe book gets you started making quick, easy, and delicious dishes from appetizers to desserts. Add 1-2 cup water for smooth blend for vegetables. So this is a good product to save your guests and relatives quickly and easily. Coffee Air Fryer. Award-winning design. Winner of the Red Dot Award for Best Design. The CP158F was designed in California and features an angled display with easy-to-use presets. In addition, the air fryer's compact size allows it to easily fit on your counter. Less fat. The air fryer uses up to 85% less fat than traditionally deep-fried food while maintaining the same delicious taste, making it the perfect gift for family or friends. Compared with a 4-quart round basket or even smaller one, Coffee Air Fryer's 5.8-quart square non-stick basket can fit a 5 pounds, 6 pounds whole chicken, while a small round basket can't. Buy this XL 5.8-quart size, serves your family with at least 3-5 people. 11 one-touch presets: steak, poultry, seafood, shrimp, bacon, frozen foods, French fries, vegetables, root vegetables, bread, and desserts. Just choose your preset with one easy tap on the display and you're ready to cook. You can also set cooking temp time. The removable non-stick coated basket is dishwasher safe, for free and per free. Air fryer dimension 14.311.812.6 in. Basket dimension 993.75 inches. Buy our original air fryer accessory to create more. Comes with 100 original, delicious and easy recipes for every meal. Find out how our numerous influencers cook their food with Coffee Air Fryer in social media, also constant recipes and videos tutorials from our community. Cooking time is faster than a conventional oven, but with crispier and tastier results. It also has a shake reminder function. Preheat the unit before adding your ingredients to achieve the best results. Ethyl listed 170 degrees F, 400 degrees F, 120 V, 1700 W. Your purchase comes with assistance from our helpful Southern California-based customer support team. Please note that 120V only applies to the USA and Canada. Reviwlux Instant Read Meat Thermometer. The meat thermometer's probe head measures only 1.6 mm in diameter, making it easy to introduce it into meats. You'll get the accurate temperature ±, 1 degree Fahrenheit. Whether to fry beef steaks, grill pork, deep fry fish potatoes, or for an outdoor barbecue, this thermometer gives you accurate temp reference. Unfold the food thermometer and it starts to read immediately. The probe's length is 4.6 with 10.78 product hole length, which protects you from splashing oil burn. This food thermometer comes with a large backlight screen, enabling you to see the temp clearly whether in a poorly lighted kitchen or outdoors of too much light. The grill thermometer is super easy to clean. The probe is made of 304 stainless steel, non-toxic and safe for contacting food. Every Reviwlux product sent to you has gone through a series of quality inspection processes. Please rest assured of this meat thermometer. Belgian Waffle Maker. Professional style rotating design with extra thick grit bakes a 7-inch diameter Belgian waffle with 4 easy to cut sections. Dual function base assures convenient rotation for baking and locks in a space-saving vertical position for storage. Countdown timer and digital display signals when baking time is up. Brushed stainless steel exterior for lasting beauty. Easy to clean. Ceramic non-stick interior wipes clean. Countdown timer with digital display signals when time is complete. Brushed stainless steel exterior. The non-stick interior easily wipes clean. Care and cleaning, hand wash. 120 volts AC, 1100 watts. Flips 180 degrees to evenly spread batter for waffles that are crispy outside and tender inside. Refer the user manual page 2 below for timer instruction and troubleshooting steps. Easy to store. Dual function base locks in a vertical position for compact storage. 1 year limited warranty. Reviwlux Nutrient Extractor. Take the first step towards transforming your health with the machine that started it all, the original 600-watt Reviwlux. The Reviwlux is the fastest, easiest solution for making nutrient-packed smoothies. Load it up with your favorite whole foods like nuts, berries and spinach, then push, twist and blend your way to a healthier lifestyle. Powerful 600-watt motor and refined nutrient extraction blades blend whole foods into liquid fuel for your body in seconds. Meet the original Reviwlux, our compact yet powerful personal blender. You choose what goes in to get the most out of every ingredient, every day. Simple, intuitive design makes this a device you'll use every day. Just push, twist and blend. Yes, it's that easy. Did you know most smoothies can be made in under 60 seconds? Now you can fit healthful nutrition into your busy day. Powerful stainless steel extractor blades use cyclonic action to break down tough ingredients. High performance, the free plastic cups are long-lasting and durable. Hassle-free cleaning: simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher. This item comes with a 1-year limited. Note: refer to the user manual before use. Product built to North American and Canadian electrical standards. Sundico butane torch. Safe and durable with safety lock, prevents accidental ignition, and a wide set base helps to prevent it from falling over. Refill and easy to operate. Refill the kitchen torch with any brand of butane. Butane gas isn't included. Simply slide the security lock to open. Light up with piezo ignition technology. Great gift and versatile, ideal for caramelizing sugar atop creme brulee, glazing a baked ham, searing a steak, roasting bell peppers, melting cheese and toasting bread crumbs. Adjustable flammy and continuously flame mode piezo ignition technology allows for use at any angle, even upside down, with effortless one-hand operation. Full-star vegetable chopper. 4 interchangeable blades let you julienne, chop and slice vegetables with ease. Built-in chop lid lets you cut foods directly into the 1.2-liter collection tray without the mess of a knife and cutting board. Rust-resistant heavy-duty 420 stainless steel retains razor sharpness for crisp, smooth cutting and grating. Soft grip handle with rubberized bow enhances leverage, while the non-skid base ensures stability during use. Slice, dice, chop and cut fruits and vegetables safely and easily, in half the time. Cut potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots and more for free. This compact chopper measures just 10.63 length x 4.72 height x 4.48 weight.